Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best coupon code for your Zendrop. So here you want to go to affiliateweapons.com and search for your Zendrop. So here you will have your Zendrop coupon. So it's 100% verified to this date. So it will vary from date and time to time, and where you can get this. So it's August 2024 right now. So you will have different ones for September, November, and December. So here you will get your yearly discount right here. You can just get the deal right here by pressing this button, and you will be redirected to Zendrop once you press this link. So you can also, again, let's just do it again and find another one that is according to your usage of your Zendrop. So it's going to be like this. Get the pre-built Shopify store for just $1 and you can get this deal. So basically Zendrop here is a drop shipping e-commerce type of store. So here it's just like your Shopify. Normally you will have fast shipping, automated drop shipping, and you will have world-class support. So essentially it's just drop shipping, just like Shopify and other e-commerce stores. So you will have access to US products, brand development, and real-time analytics. You'll also get subscription boxes, I apologize for that, and custom brandings, and even high volume sellers right here. You can get started right down here. If you want to do so, you can click the link in the description for the best discount. So there you go guys, that is how you get the best coupon for your Zendrop. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.